In the ever-evolving world of augmented reality, the XREAL One AR glasses have emerged as a standout innovation, setting new standards for immersive technology in 2024 and beyond. As the latest flagship offering from XREAL, these glasses combine cutting-edge hardware with thoughtful design, delivering an experience that truly bridges the digital and physical worlds. For tech enthusiasts and adults seeking the best in wearable AR, the XREAL One is a device worth watching closely. Launched in December 2024, the XREAL One AR glasses have quickly gained attention for their impressive technical specifications and user-centric features. At the heart of this device lies a 0.68-inch Sony Micro OLED display, capable of delivering a virtual screen size of up to 147 inches with a generous 50-degree field of view. This ensures that users enjoy a cinematic experience whether they're watching movies, playing games, or diving into productivity tasks. The display operates at a remarkable 120 Hz refresh rate, paired with just 3 milliseconds of latency. This combination guarantees ultra-smooth visuals with minimal motion blur, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming and high-definition media consumption. One of the XREAL One's defining features is the X1 Independent Spatial Computing Chip. This powerful component enables native 3 degrees of freedom, 3DOF tracking, allowing users to anchor virtual screens anywhere in their environment. Whether you're working in a coffee shop or relaxing at home, the digital content remains stable and responsive, adapting seamlessly to your movements. This technology not only enhances immersion, but also unlocks new possibilities for multitasking and spatial organization of digital information. Audio quality is another area where the XREAL One stands out. Featuring built-in Bose-tuned audio, these AR glasses deliver rich, immersive sound without the need for external headphones. This integrated approach enhances the overall user experience, making everything from streaming movies to joining video calls more engaging and convenient. The acoustic design ensures privacy and clarity, keeping you connected to your surroundings while enjoying high-fidelity audio. Design-wise, the XREAL One AR glasses have been praised for their lightweight and ergonomic form factor. Resembling a pair of stylish sunglasses, they are comfortable for extended wear, a crucial factor for users who plan to integrate AR into their daily routines. The balance between aesthetics and practicality means you can transition seamlessly from work to leisure without feeling encumbered by bulky hardware. Compatibility is another strong suit of the XREAL One. These glasses work effortlessly with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, gaming consoles, and PCs. This versatility makes them an excellent choice for users who want a single AR device that fits into multiple aspects of their digital lives. Whether you're connecting to your phone for productivity on the go, or linking up to a gaming console for an immersive play session, the XREAL One adapts to your needs. In July 2025, the XREAL One made headlines once again during Amazon Prime Day when its price dropped to a record low $426.55. This significant discount made the glasses more accessible to a broader audience, driving renewed interest and solidifying their place as a top contender in the AR market. The XREAL One Pro model, with its upgraded 700 nit brightness and enhanced audio, has also been highlighted in 2025 reviews as a leading choice for those seeking the best in smart glasses technology. Industry experts and reviewers have lauded the XREAL One for its performance, comfort, and versatility. TechRadar's 2025 roundup of the best smart glasses praised its high brightness, vivid visuals, and the seamless integration of Bose audio. The combination of advanced display technology, spatial computing, and premium audio makes the XREAL One a compelling option for adults looking to invest in the future of augmented reality. For those seeking the latest and greatest in wearable tech, the XREAL One AR glasses represent a bold step forward, blending state-of-the-art features with everyday usability. As AR continues to shape the landscape of digital interaction, devices like the XREAL One are leading the charge, redefining what's possible in high-tech gadgets for adults. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets news for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.